Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Garmond and his loyal mount Zaza, characters from Hollow Knight's Silksong in their original game style. Get your tools ready, get comfortable, and let's bring this dynamic duo to life step by step. We sped up the part where we draw the skeleton and the first rough sketch so we can focus more on the line art. But feel free to pause the video anytime to carefully follow those early steps. Let's start with Garmond's eyes, keeping them simple, clean, and expressive, just like the Hollow Knight style. Now draw Garmond's mustache, wide and curved, giving him that strong and charismatic personality. Garmond is one of the NPCs revealed in Hollow Knight's Silksong. He's always seen riding his loyal mount, Zaza. Zaza plays an important role, allowing Garmond to move quickly across the land. Let's sketch the helmet or turban-like headgear, wrapping around the head smoothly and following the silhouette seen in the game. Add the antennae, long and flexible, giving extra movement and life to the character. Now draw the plate armor on the chest and shoulders, solid and protective, but still stylized and readable. Sketch Garmond's rounded body, compact and sturdy, fitting his role as a mounted warrior. Add the left arm, bent and close to the body, helping balance the riding pose. Now draw the lance held in his right hand, raised high, a long, sharp weapon used for charging attacks in battle. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. You can also check out our Hollow Knight playlist. Just click the card in the upper corner. And tell me in the comments, which character would you like to see next? Draw the curved legs, positioned naturally as he rides on top of Zaza. Let's move to Zaza's big eyes, round and shiny, full of energy and curiosity. Draw Zaza's head, keeping it soft, rounded, and friendly. Add the small antennae and nostrils, simple details that give Zaza extra charm. Now sketch Zaza's round body, compact and sturdy, perfect for carrying a rider. The visual design keeps the classic Hollow Knight simplicity with strong silhouettes. Garmond's lance emphasizes a charging, aggressive combat style. Like other characters in the series, Garmond communicates a lot through body language. Draw Zaza's legs, short and firm, showing stability and movement. Zaza's design mixes cuteness with strength, fitting the world of bugs and warriors. Mounted characters are rare in the Hollow Knight universe, making this duo stand out. Silksong expands the universe beyond Hallownest into new lands and cultures. Add the saddle and adventure gear, straps and small details that show they travel together. Team Cherry uses minimal dialogue and strong visuals to tell their stories. For colors, greens, browns, and muted tones work perfectly here, but feel free to color Garmond and Zaza however you like. And remember, if any part feels tricky, just pause the video and take your time. And here's Garmond and Zaza, ready for adventure in the world of Hollow Knight Silksong. I hope this video inspired you and that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.